Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the Big Bad Alpha. Of course, you're here for the date ideas, my favorite, funnest, yummiest, craziest, weird date ideas that trust me, she's gonna love. So the number one is DIY Valentine Challenge. I know, you'll be like, man, what is DIY Valentine Challenge? How can we play it together? Right? It's simple, it's easy. Okay, that's how you do it. Take your girlfriend, go to the mall. जब you both are in the mall, ठीक है, हजार रुपए split कर लो, like give 1000 रुपए to her and 1000 रुपए for yourself. अब तुम्हें नहीं करना क्या, find a store, ठीक है, the both, if you want to find a store, cool, but if you want to go like in all the mall, ये भी ठीक है. अब क्या करना है कि उस 1000 रुपए में you're supposed to buy the best gift for her and she's supposed to buy the best gift for you. I know, and trust me, this is the funnest creative thing, I believe that you can do. I know. Or you'll be like, but man, it's childish. Dude, come on, you're dealing with a girl. They love these things, right? Unless you're stuck with some old, I have to say it, old, matured skunk. Then you're doomed, man. You can not do anything to impress her, right? You need a fun, chill girl. You can go on a DIY challenge and you can have fun. Trust me, this is like the best thing you can do. And yeah, thank me later. Also comment after that DIY challenge. You both are gonna love it. She's gonna love you for that. I know, been there, done that. Okay, so the next date you guys can plan for this Valentine is a picnic date. I know weather nowadays is so amazing. It's perfectly sunny outside, and itna zyada temperature bhi nahi hai where you guys can, feel awkward in the sun. Wear your sunscreen, go out, plan a picnic, ask her to cook something, but you don't have to ask her. I hope she will already cook and bring something, and you take the snacks and cold drinks, go outside in a park. The best thing for the picnic date is, of course, the lake views. Go to the lake views, sit, have fun, enjoy, talk. All right? Valentines are not about, it's not about that. It's about having fun. It's one day for love. Spend in love. No? You should. So, have fun. So, the third date idea that I personally love and that is worth doing is a fancy date, right? Select your rooftop restaurants. We live in Islamabad, so I'm going to drop you, Rawalpindi, Islamabad rooftop restaurants in the comment section for you guys if you want to possibly go and check. So, select rooftop restaurants, wear something fancy, formal clothes, look your best, go out on a date, and it should be like more of a night date because of, a candlelight type of thing. Have fun, enjoy, right? Class it up, right? Wear your favorite fragrance because I love fragrances. So wear your favorite fragrance, have fun. I'm definitely sure, don't forget to bring her the gift. Already, link of that video is up, up, right? You need to bring her the gift because she's gonna love you for that. I know, it's very important. It means ke mujhe bhule nahi ho. It means she's the special one. It means she deserves that gift and she's the one. I know you'll be like, yeah, why are you superly focusing on, the gift? Because the gift is something that comes from you, that comes from your inner core. That should be something special. जो आप हर किसी को नहीं देते, and that should be for someone else. Love is not about, receiving everything. Love is also about giving. I know if you're stuck with a gold digger or some, weird lady that only, use you for, her benefits or ask you for expensive gifts and this and that, then you're doomed. Again, you're doomed. Get rid of her. I know. But this video is not about that, right? So after fancy date, another date idea that I personally love is a cozy, right? Wear your hoodie, PJs, chill mood, right? Relaxed outfit, go and watch a movie. And by movie, I mean go and watch a movie. Do not do that, watch a movie. Because, this is cheap. Please don't do, those things in public places. I know this is like the worst thing. I've seen people doing it. To be very honest, once I was with a friend of mine and I saw people doing it. And right next to a few seats right next to us. And that was so uncomfortable, to be very honest. And please do not do anything stupid with anybody's daughter, because one day you're going to have your daughter, and trust me, you're going to regret that. So please be careful, have fun, enjoy, and this day is about love. And trust me, I'm the guy who loves to be in love. I know I've been heartbroken so many times, and it sucks, but trust me, I'm the guy who loves to be in love. I'm the guy who loves to plan things, who loves to hang out, who loves to have fun. And of course, from that, a और fun date idea, I know you're in for a ride today. Got fun idea is go to the bookstore with her, buy some books, go to the coffee place, right? And read books with coffee and enjoy. I know, but it only varies if your girlfriend is into books, right? I know, आजकल girls, honestly, I have only read like 30 books in my life. I'm not that into books anymore. Yeah, I'm not into books too. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा जितना I think I should be, but I'm not. So there are only a few people जिस पे ये apply हो सकता है. If your girl is into books, you can buy new books, or if you have your collection, you can bring your favorite books and read in a coffee place, have fun, and enjoy, right? This is a very great thing for you. I know people will always judge me. People will always say, but nah, man, my girl says not. This is boring. This is that. Yeah, this is how it works, all right? एक और चीज, if your girl is into sports, or if she loves to go on a jog, or to go on, some runs, some sprints, you guys can also go on hiking. Hiking is a fun experience. You guys can go, you guys can talk, bring water, bring some snacks, have fun. And by hiking, I know most of you guys, so please, by hiking, I mean hiking, right? Don't hump her, just hike, have fun, enjoy, come home, and be thankful for that amazing experience, right? So the last idea that I have is, of course, an amusement park idea. I know parks are going to be full on the Friday, of course, but you need to find some great place, right? You can take her and you guys can play some mini games. You can play in there's always a thing where you can buy her a gift. You can win her some gift. I've played a game in which if you strike that ball right, you're going to get a puppy, like a toy puppy. So I won that puppy, I gave it to her, and yeah, she was happy. She still has it, I guess. I don't know, but probably she should. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and love is a very important topic of our life. Charles Bukowski once said, we cannot live without women, and at the same time, in some scenarios, we cannot live with them. So life is always like two-faced, a good face and a bad face. So you have to live, you have to enjoy, you have to make sure that you are having fun. So without wasting any time, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be dropping so much content. Of course, one more Valentine topic related video is about to come, which is how you can look the best for the date. Of course, the dates I've mentioned, I'm also going to tell you what you can wear so you can stand out from the crowd and make everyone else look, duh. Your girlfriend, of course, she will think, why her boyfriend is so amazing. Well, some are. I'm just kidding. So guys, you have to look your best. That video is going to be uploaded soon, because of course, on this Friday, Valentine is here. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and more, of course, updates, because I love to have fun and I love to create content that will help you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you soon. V-Day special.